Hello everyone, I wanted to do a quick little video about how I mounted 400-watt panels to my Promaster City van, and I'll just take you through the steps I took, and then show you, of course, the completed work. But generally what I did is purchase 400-watt panels, and through the frame I attached the four together. So basically, wherever they touch, so right here, here, and here, I drilled some holes and connected them using stainless steel nuts and bolts in order to keep them together. Now the thing is, you want to be mindful of that you want to put the hole in the right spot, or in the same spot each time, and that way the panels can connect more evenly. And so here's an example right there. You can see this little stainless steel bolt and nut, and I think I did about 3 of them per panel just to keep them connected, and they stayed, for the most part, they stayed pretty sturdy. Now the thing is that once I did that piece, I had to figure out a way, like, how do I connect the 4 panels now? How do I connect them to my roof rack? Well, this is a Vantech roof rack. This is specifically made for Promaster City. And the reason why I decided to go with this type of roof rack is that there's a little channel. Let's pull this out. Little channel. Come on. These should be there to go. Okay. Alright. There's a little channel right here, okay, where I can slide one of their little, like, I guess they call them T-bolts or something. I'll put the link to these bolts in the description, but generally that's what you use to actually attach the rack piece, which is here, to this mounting base. It's the same type of, it's like a sliding nut that's under here, but I decided to buy extra because I like how it looks and is a little bit cleaner. And so what I did is that I bought these aluminum angles. I got this from Home Depot. This one's about maybe say about 72 inches long. Very easy to cut. You can use just a simple hacksaw, just cut it down to size. So we cut it down to the length of the solar panels, and then of course drilled holes to wherever we needed it to attach to the roof rack. So it's 6 holes in total just to attach to the roof rack here. And then I made a hole big enough, just enough so that a stainless steel the sliding bolt can poke through here, and then I put a nylon lock nut there to keep it secure, and it's very sturdy, and it doesn't shake or rattle, which is really nice. But then also I had to cut holes into the aluminum angle in order to attach bolts to the solar panel, so it's fairly sturdy, and so it becomes one big piece. You do this, and then what I did is, of course, I figure out, like, okay, like, how do I then get the cables into the van, because, you know, like, I wanted to get to my my battery bank, which is the EcoFlow Delta. I need to get it. How do I get the cable over there? So luckily, there was this piece, or a little antenna right here. I did not choose the best filming location. I thought an empty parking lot would be nice, but people use this to kind of cut through. But anyway, over here is a little satellite antenna they can use for to connect, like, to Sirius XM satellite radio, or use it for your GPS. And I decided to disconnect that because I wasn't going to use it. So what's nice is that it actually left a tiny little hole in here that gave it enough room for the extension cables of from the shop solar kits .com kit that I bought, are able to just pass through underneath this, and then I attach them in this well, cover them so I can cover the hole, create a nice seal with like silicone caulking, okay, and then I'm able to pop open this light open, okay, and then I ran the wire back here because this is all empty space right here, so I ran it through, and you can see the MC4 connectors are here, and then these then connect to the EcoFlow Delta cable, which is what charges the unit, and it's attached somewhere over here. But anyway, it's nice and out of the way. I plan to get like a shelving unit here to probably hide the cable, but then also to keep all my batteries that I want charged over here. And so then this little cable, for right now, it's long enough to come over here to the front, because what I plan to do is charge my lawn care equipment batteries over here, and it just made sense for the unit to be here or here on this side, so I can easily access it, and I can switch out batteries and attach these chargers to it. So but anyway, it's nice and easy to connect and disconnect, and very simple setup, but again, it took a little bit of trial and error. So if you have any particular questions about how I did this, again, feel free to shoot a question in the comments section below, and I'll of course again include links of all the materials, links for all the materials that I use for this solar panel build. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.